The first thing you want to go ahead and do is unscrew the bottom panel of your iMac. There is 3 screws located on the bottom, one on the left, one in the center, and another one on the right. After that, we want to go ahead and remove it completely. I like to air dust, just to get all the extra particles that are not needed from the computer. There was a lot of dust there. Next, you want to go ahead and open up your memory. I bought mine from crucialmemory.com. It was a great price. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is push in the memory. You will hear a couple clicks here and there, but make sure you push it in real firm. This way we have no faulty install. Right there I'm putting in 4 gigabytes of memory. Now you want to place the black flap back in place. Now we will replace the bottom panel, screwing back in the center, then the right, and then finally the left hand side. Make sure you got the screws nice and tight. And that's how you install iMac 27-inch mid 2011 3.4 i7 memory to your computer. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.